In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this emblem on this Ram 1500. This is located on the left front fender towards the back, right here. Let's get into it. Before we take the emblem off, you want to make sure you clean this area. Take some masking tape. You would just line this up. Get this level over here. Then you want to get the distance over here as well. That's good right there. This emblem has been off before. A good way to take these emblems off is using a heat gun and just heat it up lightly, back and forth, just like that. And then taking a trim tool, a plastic trim tool, so that you don't scratch any of the paint. Just get under the emblem and you just want to pry up. And you're just going to have to go back and forth around all the edges. And eventually it will peel off. And then you're going to have some adhesive on the fender itself. Once it cools down, you're going to want to take that off with some adhesive remover. Then we're going to take an alcohol wipe or just some alcohol and just rub the area that you're going to adhere the new emblem to. Let that dry. Now we're going to take the back off the emblem. Very carefully line this up the way you want it. Looks good. And then just press it on. That's good. Now we can take the tape off. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.